Hello guys! Today, ang ituturo ko sa inyo is all about solving problems involving volumes of cones. Okay, let's start. So first, we define cone. A cone has a circular base and a vertex that is not in the same plane as the base. So basically, yung nasa figure natin sa ating right side, so that is a cone. Okay, circle yung base. And then yung vertex natin is hindi kaparehas nung nasa base natin. So, if this is our vertex, yung nasa base natin, hindi sila magkaparehas. Okay? So, yun lang naman yung sinasabi sa definition ng cone natin. Okay? So, pag nakita kayo ng mga ganitong itsura, okay, mga ganitong diagram, automatic cone yan. And then, radius. The radius of the base is the radius of the cone. So, yung radius doon ng base natin, siya yung radius ng cone. So, basically, yung radius ng circle natin, kasi circular base yan, that is also the radius of the cone. Ito. Okay? Ayan. And then, yung height. The height is the perpendicular distance between the vertex and the base. So, this is the vertex uli, and this is the base. So, yung line na yan, na nagko-connect sa kanilang dalawa, perpendicular. So, 90 degrees, straight line yan, going up. So, that is yung ating height. Okay? And then, we have here the formula for the volume of a cone, which is given by V is equals to 1/3 pi r squared height. So, pi, meron tayong value dyan, which is approximately 3.14. And then, yung r, which is yung radius. And then, yung height, which is yung kakasabi lang natin, the height of the cone. So, para mas maintindihan nyo yung ating formula for this, for the volume of the cone, let's give some examples. So for our example number 1, find the volume of the cone given by this figure. So, kailangan unang-una alam natin kung paano i-identify alin yung radius, alin yung height sa ating given. Okay? So, we have the formula V is equals to 1/3 pi r squared height. So, ito yung formula for the volume of the cone. All we need to do is identify r and identify h. Kasi yung 1/3, so that's a constant. Pi is also a constant. So, r and h lang yung nawawala to find the volume. So, for our radius, so, yung radius, ito daw yung radius ng ating base. So, basically, yung circle, yan yung base natin. So, yung dimension na meron dyan, yan yung ating radius. From the center to one end nung ating base. So, our radius is 2 inches. Then, syempre, yung height natin, yung taas ng cone natin from the vertex to the base, perpendicular. So, that is yung height natin, which is 4 inches. So, to find the volume, all we need to do is substitute yung ating values. So, V is equals to 1/3. And then, yung pi is approximately 3.14. And then, yung r natin, yung radius, which is 2 inches, naka-square siya. And then, yung height natin na 4 inches. Okay? So, simplifying this, so, unahin natin yung, so, copy muna natin to. Unahin natin yung naka-square. So, 2 inches square, kapag in-square natin, 2 times 2, that is 4. And then, para mas madali, let's multiply na rin dito sa ating 4 pa. So, ito, multiply na rin natin to para ma-shortcut natin siya. So, 4 times 4, that is 16. So, we have here 16. And then, inches squared na to. So, dito, inches squared to. Pero, inches lang yung meron sa 4. So, inches squared times inches, that is inches cubed. So, simplifying this using your calculator, so, we have 1/3 times 3.14 times 16. So, that will give us 16. So, dito na lang. So, the volume is 16.75. Okay? And then copy natin yung ating unit na inches cube. Ayan. So, approximate na lang yung 16.75 kasi may mga preceding decimal pa yan after ng 7. So, in-estimate na lang natin or ni-round off na lang natin. So, this is the volume ng ating cone. Okay? So, malinaw ba yon yung ating formula kung paano natin nagamit? Okay, so, let's proceed sa ating second example. So, we have here a pastry bag containing frosting has a height of 12 inches and a radius of 4 inches. A cake decorator can create 15 flowers with 1 bag of frosting. What is the volume of frosting in the pastry bag? And second question, how many cubic inches of frosting are used for each flower? So we have two questions. So first muna, sasagutin natin, ano daw yung volume ng frosting? Okay, so binigay naman yung height and yung radius ng ating cone. So this is the height of 12 inches, and a radius of 4 inches. So, to find the volume ng ating cone, magsasubstitute lang tayo kasi given naman na yung height and radius eh. So, for the volume, we have 1/3 pi r squared height na formula natin. So, substitute lang natin yung values natin. So, copy lang natin yung 1/3. And then, this is 3.14, yung value ng pi. And then, yung radius natin is 4 inches. And then, squared. And then, yung height natin, 12 inches. Then, ngayon, sisimplify natin tong ating equation. So, 4 inches squared. So, that will give us 16. Okay? And then, inches squared na to. Then, copy natin tong 12 inches. Okay? And then, multiply muna natin yung 16 times 12 kasi medyo komplikado na yung 3.14 times 1/3. So, 16 times 12, that will give us 192. This is 192. And then, inches squared times inches, that is inches cube. So, at this point, pwede nyo na itong i-input sa calculator nyo. So, kasi hindi na ito ganun ka-complex tulad ng original formula natin to find the volume nung ating frosting. Okay, kasi yun yung tinatanong eh. Pastry bag daw to. Nasa pastry bag yung frosting. So, simplifying this, the volume nung ating frosting is approximately 200.96 inches cube. So, ito na yung volume nung ating frosting. Okay? So, nasagot na natin yung first question natin. How about our second question? How many cubic inches of frosting are used for each flower? So, let's remove muna natin yung solution natin para ma-solve natin yung second question natin. So, ito, lipat lang muna natin to dito. Ayan. So, tinatanong, ilang cubic inches daw ng frosting kada flower yung nagamit. Okay? So, titignan nyo sa statement natin, sinabi na using this dimension daw, okay, using yung 12 inches height and 4 inches radius nung ating frosting, or rather nung ating pastry bag, kung nasan yung frosting natin, makakagawa daw ng 15 flowers. So ngayon, paano natin nahanapin yung ginamit na cubic inches kada flower? Gamit yung ating 15 flowers. So magkakaroon lang tayo dyan ng formula. So let's denote yung ating amount of cubic inches by A is equals to yung ating volume, total volume, divided by kung ilan yung nagawang flower using that volume, which is sinabi nga dito, 15 flowers. So, this is 15. And then, substitute lang natin yung ating volume, which is 200.96 inches cube divided by 15. So this is approximately, so 200.96 divided by 15 is approximately 13.40. And then copy yung unit na inches cube. So, ito yung cubic inches na nagamit kada flower ng frosting natin. Okay? Malinaw ba yun? So, that's it for our video for today. I hope may natutunan kayo and maraming salamat sa panonood.